Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log out from Sweat Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to log out from your Sweat Wallet, all you need to do is simply tap open your Sweat Wallet app. So once you open your Sweat Wallet app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on home. After you tap on the home button, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply scroll down below, tap on Logout. After you do so, you will end up having this on your screen, so simply tap on I understand and continue, which will then help you get logged out from your Sweat Wallet app. So later, if you want to log in back, you need to go and tap on the login button to get access back to your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.